So if the focus is Kashi this morning, what is the itinerary of the Prime Minister like? We are told that it will first begin with a dip in the Ganga River, and Prime Minister Modi has consistently maintained about an emotional connect that he feels with the Ganga River, as he calls Ma Ganga. But after that dip in the Ganga River, where heightened security has been placed at the Ghat, he will board a cruise to the Namo Ghat. All of this, remember, has been renovated, refurbished. There is, of course, a fresh Ghat that awaits him in many ways. Prime Minister Modi offering prayers then at the Kal Bhairav temple, which is in the vicinity in itself and is considered to be auspicious, specifically with regard to good beginnings. Prime Minister then will reach the court to file his nomination. The time here is at about 11:40 a.m. and very likely, because it's Prime Minister's schedule, it will be crisp. This is the timeline between 11 to 12, we are told. But after this is over, so this is the official process, there will be a nomination squad, senior leaders of the BJP and the proposers as well. Once that concludes, he will head for an NDA meeting to talk to the workers, leaders of different parties at the Rudraksh Convention Centre, which has also been constructed as Prime Minister Modi had been the Member of Parliament from Varanasi in the past 10 years. So this is the schedule and the itinerary that we are expecting, and in just a short while, he will be reaching the Ghat there at the Ganga River in Banaras. Look at that. 2014, when the son of soil of Gujarat, as an MP, decided to choose Varanasi as his seat, and constantly then returning to visit and ensure that the development is seen in Banaras, the focus is given to the world's oldest living city. And that focus continues as he's hopeful of a return for the third time. The previous record margins have been 3 lakhs and then 4 lakhs of votes, and that against Congress party's Ajay Rai. This time again, it is between Ajay Rai and Prime Minister Modi and other candidates as well in Banaras.